Most of you probably know by now that to be able to withdraw from Hashing Space, you basically need like 1,000 ASIMI tokens right now, worth about $50. Or $50 was the minimum needed to be able to withdraw from Hashing Space, right? But that is actually changed now. Even though I have 1,000 ASIMI tokens now, which is good, right? I started from zero, guys, literally from zero, so it's very much possible. So keep minting your ads, keep doing everything that you're doing. But before I actually go further and show you guys the new update, I just want to show you this other thing also, really amazing, is that for those who are actually minting ads, I don't know if you've noticed, but our minting earnings have actually gone up really high. Like just when was this, January 30, so about 18 days ago, we were earning about 1.5 ASIMI. So that divided by 2, I think that's about 0.6 ASIMI tokens for every single ad, 7-second ad that you view, right? Is normal for the minting, right? But right now, I just noticed we're now up to 0.2. I mean, 2 ASIMI tokens for just viewing 2 ASIMI stakes, right? So that's a total of 14 seconds, and then I earn 2 ASIMI tokens, which is really great. So it means it went up from that 0.6 to now at least 1, just above 1 ASIMI token for 7 seconds view. So I'm just going to demonstrate that for you before end of this video, what I'm talking about. But that's really great. The earnings are going up and they might continue going up, which is really great. So if you haven't started minting yet, what you can do is you can log into your account and then come back to the ASIMI stake, and then you go to the minter stake and then set it up. It's very easy and straightforward. If you got any questions, join the Telegram group with the link down below, and then I'll be able to help you out with that. Otherwise, you can also go and and do your login stake and start earning even more. So it's all up to you. Anyways, the latest update, as I said, you only need $10. Yes, just $10. So $10 right now is about 200 ASIMI tokens, considering the fact that ASIMI token today is trading at 5 cents each. So you literally just need 200 ASIMI tokens and you'll be able to cash out for the first time, or even whenever you want to cash out. You just need 200 ASIMI tokens, which are currently worth $10. So that's basically the big update that's happening right now. Something really important is that now when you want to withdraw your funds for the first time, you actually have to verify your account. Now this is a really big update and very crucial, because now all those people who have dummy accounts, like multiple accounts, cannot withdraw from their other accounts, meaning that those ASIMI tokens will never be on the market. And when we have small supply of ASIMI tokens on the market, that means there's a lot of buyers that wants to buy the ASIMI tokens. That way it'll push up the price because there's more demand than supply. So this is really a good update and I'm really excited about it. So if you guys have any questions about verifying your account, just hit me up and then I'll be able to help you out. But I'm also going to verify my account very soon, and then I think I might do a short recording of the video of the procedure of how to do it and so forth, and then post it here on YouTube. So make sure that you turn on notifications and you're subscribed, then you won't miss that video. Otherwise, yeah, that's basically what I want to share with you guys today. Just like $10 to withdraw now, which is really great, meaning you can get a taste of their ASIMI tokens much earlier than usual. And then we have increased earnings on the minting. So if I'm just gonna go and demonstrate on my homepage. So on the dashboard, I'm just gonna demonstrate what I mean by minting. Minting is basically another free way of earning ASIMI tokens on the platform. Why I say that? Because you actually get back whatever you stake daily in bits. So it's like, if you stake, for myself, I stake, let me just show you guys right here, my minting stakes. So 36. So as you can see right here, lifetime total ASIMI stake, right? So I had staked like 106 ASIMI tokens, and then total ASIMI returns 96. So basically, before this ASIMI stakes expire, I actually have all my 106 ASIMI ASIMI tokens back in my account. So basically making this minting thing totally for free. And then on top of that, I was able to earn 633 ASIMI tokens. I mean, just look at the comparison here. 633 that I earned on top of the 106 that I put in. So that's a lot of return on investment. Not saying that it's an investment advice or anything, but I'm just saying, I'm just showing you what I've been able to do, right? So that you can make a decision based on that yourself, for yourself, and see if you're interested in doing the same thing or a similar thing. So yeah, basically that's how it works. So once you set up your ASIMI stakes, so I basically have 2 out of 500. You can set up to 500, if I'm not mistaken. And then basically what happens is that you'll be able to use this button to start viewing ads. So if I click on it, a 7-second ad will be displayed, and then I have to just watch it and then go through it if I'm interested. But if I'm not, I can just click the complete ad mint and then move on to the next one. So it depends how many ads you get showed here, depends on how many ASIMI stakes you have set up, right? So let's say I only have 2. So if I click on complete, and then I'm going to be able to view another next one, which is the second ad, and then I'm going to be done after this. So as you can see, okay, I don't understand the language, but I'm seeing a Lamborghini Aventador in the background. One of my favorite cars by far. I really, really love that thing. But yeah, okay, so I'm just going to click on complete, and then you click on next ad. So as I said, I only got 2, so that's all I can earn for the day. And it's just going to refresh. Your account will be credited with the amount that you earned at the end of the countdown. So I'm just going to show you the countdown timer right there. So you basically have like 24 hours to actually watch this 7-second ads. And I mean, it's just 7 seconds each, so it doesn't take that much time of your day. So as you can see, I still have 21 hours left on the clock to view those ads, but I'm done for the day. And then yeah, so basically when you sign up and you don't have money to put up front, you just have to use the view to earn, and then you can start earning for free. The links are going to be down below, so yeah, just click on those links and you'll be able to get started. So, and also watch out for an email from me very soon. There's a very, very good opportunity that's going to be coming. So if you're an affiliate, if you sign up using my link on Ashinga Space, just look out for an email from me, and you'll be able to see the new opportunity that is being presented. That is very, very new right now, and I'm going to give you the opportunity to actually get started in it. So just watch out for an email from me. It's going to be from my email, my personal email. So yeah, just look out for that. Anyways, as you can see, you can start viewing these ads, and then you'll be able to earn your ASIMI tokens for free. So that's basically how this works. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching the video all the way to the end. I really appreciate your time. Before I just go, this is the Waves exchange. So I recommend that you follow the video section right here. So if you go to getting started, they will show you in this video training and tutorial library how to set up your Waves account so that you'll be able to trade your ASIMI tokens, as well as just keep them in your wallet, right? So it's like a cryptocurrency wallet that allows you to keep and trade your ASIMI tokens. Trade them for different cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Waves, and many, many, many others. So you just go and check the market right there. So anyways, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.